Good evening, dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today is our conventions lesson. Our conventions lesson. Conventions means grammar, the rules that you follow to write and read English. Its title is Contractions with Not. Contractions with Not. Try to read these words. Try to read these words. The first one, this one, aren't, aren't, and this one, hasn't, hasn't. Aren't was two words, are plus not, are plus not. Has plus hasn't gave us hasn't. Has plus not give us hasn't. A contraction. A contraction is a short way of writing two words together to make one word. Is a short way of writing two words together to make one word. What letters was left out of each contraction? What letters was left out of each contraction? The letter O was replaced by an apostrophe. The letter O was replaced by an apostrophe. Okay? When we write a contraction like can not, it was C-A-N-N-O-T. It became C-A-N apostrophe T. Okay? Look at this table. Isn't, is not became isn't, is not became isn't, are not became aren't, have not became haven't, cannot became can't, cannot became can't, were not became weren't, were not became weren't, has not became hasn't, has not became hasn't. Try to read this table carefully and write it by row. Sentence I can read. Here we have many examples of sentences that contain contractions. The first one, he isn't good at art. He isn't good at art. He isn't good at art. She isn't tall. She isn't tall. We aren't sad. We aren't sad. They aren't here at the moment. They aren't here at the moment. It wasn't a good pet. It wasn't a good pet. You aren't tall enough to play. You aren't tall enough to play. You aren't tall enough to play. Try to read this sentence and try to search about the contraction, then underline it. Here we have a short example. Underline the contraction. Underline the contraction. The first sentence, she isn't fat. She isn't fat. Where is the contraction with not? Excellent. Isn't, it was, is not. They aren't good at English. They aren't good at English. Where is the contraction? Aren't, it was, are plus not. Number 3, he isn't fast. He isn't fast. Good. Isn't, it was, is plus not. Number 4, the kids aren't here now. The kids aren't here now. Where is the contraction? Aren't, it was, are plus not. He hasn't done his homework. He hasn't done his homework yet. He hasn't done his homework yet. Good. Hasn't, it was, has plus not. We didn't watch the movie. We didn't watch the movie. Excellent. Didn't, it was, did plus not. Now we have finished our lesson. I hope you understood what I introduced to you. Try to study hard and don't forget your homework. See you tomorrow with another lesson. Goodbye.